inside Edo today. Number one lady of Edo State and one ogbonge NGO don do correct awareness on top gender-based violence. The first woman of Edo State, Betsy Obaseki, don call on victims of gender-based violence for the state to use the Vivian Sexual Assault Referral Center to take address cases of abuse. Betsy Obaseki made this call on Thursday on the one-day seminar on the elimination of violence against women to commemorate the annual 16 days activism against gender-based violence, wey dey put together by the Ministry of Social Development and Gender and the Office of the First Woman of Edo State. Betsy Obaseki, who dey represented by Dr. Nusa Aladeshelu, expressed her renewed commitment and support for the victims of gender-based violence for the state to address gender-based violence, one of which will be the Vivian Center.
This happening today, the 10th day of December, and being the last day of the 16 days activism against sexual and gender-based violence. It is of great note that the wishes of the governor's wife of Nigeria be resounded to our hearing and to know their commitment in battling and showing their concern for victims of gender-based violence. The bottom line is that we are saying that there must be an end to violence against women and children. The discussions here, the speeches here are all geared to help us chart and forge a way forward where violence against women and children will be a thing of the past.
The former Commissioner for Social Development and Gender, Mrs. Mary Anedekon, also talk say need dey for proper awareness on wetin dey bring about violence against women.
Because if you don't know wetin be violence, you no go fit go report am. So when they make noise, might be the main reason when I say I like to do this small talk.
The Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Social Development and Gender-Based Issues, Dorcas Ndehen, while she dey talk to the participants of the 16 days activism against gender-based violence, talk say to end gender-based violence, awareness must be made.
To end this scourge calls for global actions to increase awareness, galvanize advocacy efforts, and share knowledge and innovations. Globally, statistics reveal the alarming rate in the number of reported cases of gender-based violence.
He slaps me. I feel the pain. But yeah, they said I provoked him. I should have been quiet. I should have been patient. I should have apologized to him. Because I'm a woman.
100 Women Lobby Group Edo State also dey present at the Vivian Center to dey raise awareness on top the function of the center. Coordinator of the group, Dr. Nusa Aladeshelu, say that they gather to raise their voice as Edo people go know say the center exists and they get where to go for help.
We have gathered here to raise our voices that the Edo people will know that this center exists, that Edo women will know that they can refer their cases here. The Edo men will know that this place is here for them to report issues of sexual or different any abuse at all against their daughters, in the place, and they will have the appropriate response.
Another member of the group, Barrister Olu Azamere, show light on wetin dey bring about gender-based violence.
If you're passing through any of these, you're being beaten, that is physical violence. You're being sexually assaulted and raped, that is sexual violence. You're being starved of money and not allowed to make your own money, that is financial violence. If you're passing through any of these ones, come to this place and talk to your sister.
The coordinator of the Vivian Sexual Assault Referral Center, Mrs. Charity Ebusele, fingered victims to call the center helpline.
The toll-free line is 0800-200-2020.
This one na the ogbonge information we carry come give una on top inside Edo today, as number one lady of Edo State and one ogbonge NGO don do correct awareness on top gender-based violence. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information come give una. My name na Innocent Eikweme from Benin.
We say no!